Fine, that title was a clickbait. There is no easy way to get a job, but there is a better way to get a job in 2026. This way you put you ahead of 95% of other candidates. I'm not exaggerating, I'm just telling you what most people refuse to do. Because while everyone else is watching tutorials and not touching their keyboard to at least type one word of code, writing Udemy courses, and rewriting the same to-do app for the 5th time, you will build real things, used by real users. Here is the uncomfortable truth. When recruiters come across two candidates, one of them have real projects being used by real users. The other one just have accomplished tutorials and online courses certificates. Who do you think is ahead in this race? Obviously, it's the guy that spent his time solving real problems. Because to launch a product, you have faced logs, deploys, infrastructures, bugs, annoying customers, in other words, real problems. This guy is swimming in the ocean. The other one is in a controlled environment. That's why the recruiters will prefer the guy that spent his time with real problems. Besides the fact to help you to improve your resume, this is the best way to learn how to do something and maybe get a new side income. Because once you get 3 users paying $50 a month in a tool you have created, you can flex that you are paid to start and fill your resume. In this path, you learn things school never taught you. How to deploy, how to monitor, how to debug production issues, how to handle off payments, emails, failures, marketing, designing, managing your own resources. You basically stop being someone who knows programming and become someone who builds software. And here is the part most people miss. You don't need millions of users, just need proof. Proof that you can take an idea from zero to production through actually people clicking buttons. In an interview, instead of you saying, I've studied Node.js and AWS, you will say, I built this, here's the link, here's what broke, and here is how I fixed it. And also you can say that you built it with AWS and Node.js. That's not theory, this is experience you got. So if you want a real advantage in 2026, stop collecting courses, stop waiting until you feel ready. Build, deploy, ship. Repeat, that's the best way. Well, if you like the video, please subscribe and hit the like button to watch more videos like this one. Love you guys, see you soon.